another Shein haul, and my package just arrived, and so I'm going to share it with you guys. So it ain't much to say, but let's bust the sucker open and see what I got.
Okay guys, before we get into the haul, let me quickly share with you my jewelry subscription box from MintMongoose. MintMongoose is a jewelry subscription box that you get every month for just $15.99 with free shipping. Outside of the US, only pay $10 for shipping, but if you're in the US, you enjoy the free shipping. Each month you can choose from your choice of rose gold, silver, or gold, and you get 3 pieces each month, and just for $15.99. And if you use my code DYNASTY, you'll get 50% off your first box. Like, who doesn't want jewelry, you guys? And for so reasonable quality pieces, I mean, yeah, you guys need to check out MintMongoose. And yeah, these are the earrings and necklace that I received this month. Thank you so much. I love, love, love. And you guys will see this set on me with all my outfits. So now let's jump into the haul.
And it's a long sleeve, and yeah, I know it's not really for summer, but it was on sale, so it could definitely be for fall and like cold summer nights, because we get a lot of cold summer nights here. So yeah, I'm hoping this fits. I did get it in a large, and now I'm like looking at it, and I should have got a medium. I'm not a large anymore. And it's hard to, like, I guess, think of that, think of myself not being large anymore. So I'm like, I don't like my clothes to fit super tight. So next item up is, I can tell it's a dress that I got. And I got this sucker in a large too. I know. I'm hard-headed. I'm a little shocked at the material of this shirt. So maybe it is a good thing that I got this shirt in a large. So it's more of a silky material and not a t-shirt material, so maybe that will help. And it has the word or letters on there, good vibe, the word good vibe. So that's what I want all summer long, well, every day, good vibes. So maybe if I put that out into the world, good vibes will come my way. Next outfit up is a bodysuit. See, I'm starting to remember what I ordered. And I did get this in a medium. And it's just like a tan beige bodysuit, which will go with a lot of stuff. So I'm happy that I got this in a medium. I learned my lesson from the last bodysuit that I got. They're very stretchable, they're very big, and I'm a medium in their bodysuits, most definitely. So that's what I got there. And also got, I don't know what this is. Oh, yes I do. I'm hoping I got this in a medium. Shit, I got it in a large. It's like some the capri set gray. And I'm thinking I got this in a large. I'm mad because it's too big. Well, I don't know until I try it on, but it's a capri set. I'm like, I'm a little scared. This looks different in person than it looks online. So yeah, I'm hoping that it fits, because with the free returns, you only get your first return free. After that, you have to pay $7.99 for the return, or they take that off of the whatever, your account, credit card, if they got that information. So I don't want to be returning shit, so I'm gonna try to make it work, I guess. And I also ordered other things. I'm sorry about that, you guys. I'm not together here. Okay, so what else did I get? I ordered a jumpsuit, a black jumpsuit. It's like it's no sleeves, of course, and it's pants. Like it's a long jumpsuit. And I got this in a medium. I'm happy I did that. So I think this is gonna fit great. And what else did I get? I got, I think, another jumpsuit, you guys. But it's a little different. It is. It's another jumpsuit. This jumpsuit has like see-through pockets on the leg. This one, yeah, this was in their active section, so it's a little different. And yeah, and it has a little hole in the back, so that's cute. So it's a little bit different than the last one, but it's another jumpsuit. I love jumpsuits, if you guys hadn't already noticed. So, and the last thing is, I think, a dress, another dress, and it's black, but of course, I love black, you know. You know, what can I say? I love black. This is a dress, and it's in a large, and it's hella big, okay? So, let's just say I shouldn't have got a large. I should have got like a medium to small in this, but it's like an oversized t-shirt. So, t-shirt dress. So, I probably will be wearing this to bed because I'm not trying to really send nothing back. I'm really not. I'm really trying to make everything just work because I don't want to pay money to ship items back. So, we'll just try to make it work. But yeah, this is the t-shirt dress, extra, I guess it's a large, not an extra large. But yeah, it's definitely doesn't look how it looked on the model, so I definitely should have got a medium, but I'm going to make it work even if it's just to sleep in. Just to sleep in, so. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch my besties in the next one.